In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to change the interface color theme. Let's begin. Go to the top menu and click on Edit. Now choose Preferences and then click on Appearance. Inside the Appearance settings, look for the Color Theme option. Here you'll see three choices: Darkest, Dark, Light. Select the theme you prefer. If you choose Darkest, the interface becomes very dark, which many editors prefer for long editing sessions. If you choose Dark, it gives you a balanced, professional look. If you choose Light, the interface becomes brighter and easier to see in well-lit environments. Once you select your theme, click OK. The interface will update immediately. That's how you change the color theme in Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's it. You now know how to switch between darkest, dark, and light themes in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.